Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to reset the Polar H10. This can be helpful if you're not getting correct HR readings from your chest strap. Also make sure you have a fresh battery in. To reset the chest strap, start by removing the battery and then hold these two metal pieces here for at least 10 to 15 seconds. I'll just pause and skip. Once you have done that, next you need to wait about 30 seconds. I'll again skip ahead. Once you have waited 30 seconds, go ahead and reinstall the battery. If your battery is not at the correct voltage anymore, you could use a multimeter to measure the battery voltage. The nominal voltage is 3 volts, but a fresh battery would be clearly higher, like maybe 3.25 or 3.3 volts. So once you have a fresh battery, just go ahead and insert it back in the correct position here and snap it back in. And you usually need to repair it with your Polar Flow app or Garmin device or whatever you're using to measure your heart rate. If you found this video helpful, please give the video a thumbs up. Thanks for watching.